Good morning, everybody. I hope you had a lovely weekend. I did. And this morning I want to talk to you about responsibilities. I mentioned this a little bit to Year 7 and 8 in Evensong last Friday, but I think it's a timely reminder of the need to show individual responsibilities. And you can do that because you then have to look for inner strength. So I'm going to use Zeffie again this morning. And she's got inner strength. Here she is at the moment. So if I just throw a treat on the floor, she'll go and find her treat and then come back and we'll see if she can find it. Yep, she's got her treat. Come on. Right. So, but she also has an inner strength. So if I tell her, come here, here, finish, sit, stay. So I can take my treat. And I'm going to put it down on the floor just here. Now, you know how much a dog would like a treat. And you know how much Zeffie likes to eat food. But look, she knows that she's waiting till whenever I tell. She's showing strength. She's showing inner strength, resisting temptation until I tell her to go. Go on. And then she gets her treat. So, that comes from within. That is that sense of, it's not strength of picking something up or pulling something over or a tackle or anything like that. That comes from inside, the inner strength to resist temptation. And I need you to continue to show that, not just this week, but of course this is the last time I talked to you before half term. I need you to come back after half term as well with that inner strength to show responsibility. I need to remind you of the need to wash and sanitize your hands. Whether you're going into lunch, whether you're moving around the buildings, whether you've been to the loo, make sure you clean your hands. I know it's very difficult, especially in the academic block, but I need you to really make an effort to keep your distances and think about it when you're moving around the school. And I also need you to remember about bubbles. Again, the school site is challenging because especially in the academic block where there are so many of you together, but try and remember to keep your distance, especially from those people who are not in your bubble. So, do enjoy your half term when it comes this Friday. Remember your responsibilities, not just to Amesbury, but to your local community, to your home, and I like to think that Amesbury is playing its part in the national effort. Remember, your little effort will help everybody. I have one notice for you, which you mustn't forget, but Harvest Festival, which we will be celebrating very soon. When you come in on Friday with your donations, if you're in nursery to year 4, so if you're in year 3 and 4, can you please take your goods to the classrooms? If you're in year 5, to the sports hall foyer. If you're in year 6, to the marquee. And if you're in 7 and 8, to the chapel. Thank you.